Hello, today I'm going to make a spicy tuna pasta with you, and these are the ingredients. First of all, cut up all the onions without crying over them during the process. I use a cleaver because I'm Hong Kong Chinese and that's how I learn it, but you guys can just use whatever. Once the onions are done, take your can of tuna and chili oil and open the lid for a little bit. Remember, just open a little bit. Do not open it completely. Next, open a can of crushed tomatoes with or without herbs. It's up to you. Of course, we have to have pasta bake out of a bottle, right? While we are doing all that, we can heat up a pot of water for our pasta. Instead of just salt, sometimes I add abalone and scallop paste into the water to add a bit of taste to the pasta. When the water is boiled, give it a good stir. Stir a bit more to get some movement in the broth before you put the pasta in. Put the pasta in. This time I'm using my favorite dinosaur pasta. I usually cook the pasta for 8 minutes without thoroughly cooking it because I will need it to be able to soak up the sauce later. While the pasta is cooking, heat up a pan or a wok and put the chili oil from your chili oil tuna into the pan or wok. Okay, I know what you're thinking, but there's nothing called too much chili oil. Once the chili oil is heated up, you can add onion into the pan or wok. Stir fry the onion until you can smell the fragrance among the chili oil. Once the onions are done, add tuna and chili into the mix. Stir fry and mix them thoroughly. Add mixed veggies of your choice into the mix. Yes, I know it looks frozen. I just forgot to sit it for a while in room temperature. Well, but as long as it cooks, that's fine. Stir fry and cook everything together. Add a can of crushed tomato to all the stuff. Mix them as per usual. Add the tuna bake sauce into the mix. Mix everything together as we do. Add a bit of water to avoid the stuff at the bottom gets stuck onto the pan or wok. When the pasta is done, drain it out and add it to the rest of everything. Remember, the pasta is 80% cooked, so it will start absorbing the sauce and make the whole thing a lot less watery. Once everything is mixed together, put the temperature down and simmer it for a few minutes. Finally, season with salt, give it a final stir, and it is done. If you couldn't figure out how it looks like, it's probably because of YouTube's budget resolution. And that's done. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.